just letting you know that these essential maths packs have arrived. And what I'd like to do is just show you what comes in the little pack. And obviously it comes with the plastic wallet, which is simple and easy to repack. But let's have a look at what comes in your pack and you'll see what you can do with it. So there's an essential maths pack. Comes a tens frame on the back. And you'll notice here there's some simple activities to do. Basically, you download and put an entry code in for that, and then you can download these various idea sheets. There's some for early childhood, and then there's some for middle upper. But if you look here, we've got the simple spinner. That will sit on any of our spinner games or any that you want to make yourself. So that's easy to use. We've got two different sorts of counters. They're your two-sided red and yellow counters, ideal for games like Shake and Spill or Lulu, anything where you want to partition or split numbers. And then we have some 19mm transparent counters, and they're in green and blue, ideal for any games because they fit on those little cells. We wanted to include a couple of different dice, and we deliberately put two different colours, so when you're playing some dice games you can talk about the difference and so forth, and it's easy to explain. The reason we've included three 10-sided dice that go from 0 to 9 is it allows you to do a lot of different place value activities and generate those digits. And of course, school-friendly cards, so any card game pretty well you can play with that, and we've got a lot of resources to support that. So just a reminder, if you get one of these, or even we have cartons of 50 of them, you can download a bunch of activities to do. And later on we're looking at how we can do this as like a little pack to be used at home with parents and so forth. And many schools are looking at doing that sort of idea. So I hope you find that a useful new addition to your kit, so to speak.